Light and refreshing. Definitely a hit for any barbecue. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Hi, benvenuti. Today we're making a lemon raspberry truffle. This is such an easy, simple recipe that you don't need to turn the oven on. We're going to use our lemon raspberry cookies. So for this recipe, you'll need cream, milk, whipping cream, sugar, cornstarch, lemon peel, raspberries, and lemon raspberry cookies. I'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're all ready. We're going to start by putting our sugar and our cornstarch together and just give it a bit of a mix. I like using my whisk just to make sure there's no clumps in there. And then we're going to add our milk. And we're going to just dissolve the two together before you put it on the heat. Okay, so we're all ready to add our cream. And then we're going to put it over the heat. So I'm going to whisk that together on medium heat. Every once in a while, just go around the corners, make sure nothing's stuck there, no sugar or cornstarch. So at this stage, we're going to add our lemon, and what I've done is I've peeled it quite larger so they're easy to remove once you're mixing your cream. And you want to remove as much as the white part of the lemon as possible because that's the bitter part. So we don't want that. And just continue mixing here. The cream is ready. Look at that, nice and creamy here. Just give it a nice whisk here. Okay, so we're going to leave the lemon grind in there because we want it really lemony. Okay, so we're going to whip our whipping cream. And we're going to add our sugar as well. Give that a few minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting for our whipping cream, we're going to cut our cookies in fours. Makes it easier when you're building your trifle. What I like about this recipe, it's really easy, fast. You don't, need many ingredients, but you could cut the cookies ahead of time. So all you have to do is and whip your cream and then just assemble it. There we go. And we're going to check on our whipping cream. Okay, so our whipped cream is ready. We're just going to transfer it because now we're going to just mix our cream to smooth it out. And it's okay, you don't have to scrape all of your whipping cream because you're going to add your cream in there. Actually, I put a glove on to remove the lemon peel. That's why I made them a little bit larger so they're easily found in here. Okay, so we're going to give it a few more minutes for the cream before we mix it. So our cream is set, has cooled off. Now we're going to add whipping cream to this. There we go, and just fold it in. You have a few pieces of lemon peel. It's okay because they're very small. Just give it an extra lemony taste. And we want this filling to be lighter. That's why I'm adding the whipping cream, so it's not so heavy. Perfect. So we're going to assemble our trifle. So I'm going to start by putting some of the cream at the bottom. And then we're going to add our berries. Just put a liberal amount. Then we're going to add our cookies. Just place them in. And you're going to add some more cream. Makes such a nice, beautiful display as well. Raspberries here. I'll get some on the edge, so it makes it a nice presentation as well. Add our cookies. More raspberries. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to add our last layer of cookies. So you want it nice and light so it just falls right in nicely. Okay, so we're going to finish it off with some whipping cream. Garnish with a few raspberries. Got some lemon. There we go. And then you could just cut them off. You could use a knife. I'm just tearing them off. And that's simple. There you have it, lemon raspberry trifle. Easy, delicious, quick, perfect for any picnic that you're going to be hosting. So let's give this a try. Light and refreshing. Definitely a hit for any barbecue. So if you enjoyed this recipe, try it and let me know in your comments.